Someone is trying to sell you a miracle in the form of a plastic toy, and they are using a fake news story to do it. I stumbled across this article claiming a 56-year-old man reversed his memory loss using a small spinning ball. It sounds incredible. It sounds like the kind of breakthrough we all want to believe in. But here is the cold, hard truth. That article was not from a real newspaper. It was a clever imitation designed to look like a famous global publication. The people behind this are not scientists. They are experts in digital manipulation. The device itself is just a gyroscopic hand exerciser. These have been around for decades. You spin the inner rotor and move your wrist to create resistance. If you want to improve your grip strength or fix a stiff wrist from typing all day, these things are actually great. Physical therapists use them for rehab all the time. The problem is the massive pile of lies piled on top of a simple fitness tool. They call it a talk ball and claim it was invented by a brilliant doctor. Depending on which ad you click, that doctor changes names. Sometimes it is a man. Sometimes it is a woman. Neither of them have real medical credentials that you can verify. They even put big television network logos on their site to look official. None of those networks have ever featured this product. It is a total fabrication. They are using fake urgency to make you move fast. They claim they only have a few hundred units left for the month. It is a classic high-pressure sales tactic. This same group ran the exact same scam with a different product name just a few months ago. They just change the labels and keep the same dishonest script. The worst part is the price. You can find a high-quality version of this exact same tool for $15 or $20 at any sporting goods store. These guys are charging nearly $100 for it. They are specifically targeting people who are scared. They want to reach anyone who is worried about a parent or a spouse losing their memory. That is the most predatory part of the whole scheme. They are selling a cheap plastic gym tool as a medical cure for cognitive decline. There is zero evidence that a wrist workout can fix your brain. If you are concerned about memory issues, please see an actual doctor. Do not trust a website that pretends to be a newspaper just to sell you an overpriced toy. It is a useful tool for your hands, but it is a total scam for your head. Stay skeptical and keep your money where it belongs. Real health solutions do not come from sponsored posts on fake news sites. They come from real research and verified professionals. Don't let a clever layout and a fake doctor fool you into a bad purchase. It is just a ball. It is not a miracle. You deserve the truth, not a marketing fairy tale. Keep your guard up. Whenever a product claims to solve a massive medical crisis with a simple toy, it is time to walk away. Use your common sense and save your hard-earned cash for things that actually work. It is always worth digging deeper before you hit that buy button. Don't let them win.